Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can save PDF files on any iPhone. Actually I have made a video on saving PDF files on iPhone, but it was for iOS 10. Now I am going to show you how you can save PDF files on iPhones from iOS 11 and above. Actually it's very easy, but people think it's complicated. Now I will show you how you can save PDF files. You can see there is a new app called Files app. Apple included this Files app from iOS 11 and above. So from now all the files you have saved on iPhone just go there. So now it becomes very easy. Now I will tell you how you can save PDF files. All you have to do is just go to Safari on any web browser from where you want to save PDF files. For example, I have opened this website. There is one more cool option that now you can save even websites into a PDF files. All you have to do is just click on the bottom on this arrow. Now you can see there are various options. All you have to do is just click on this options, and now you can click on the PDF. So in that way you can save PDF files of any particular web page. And if you want to save a PDF files, all you have to do is just find that particular PDF file. Just click on this bottom arrow button. You can see there is an option called Save to Files. All you have to do is just click on this option. Now it shows you various folders from where you want to save these files. I can simply click on Downloads. Now click on Save button and you are done. Now your file is saved automatically into Files app. So you can access these PDF files anytime from this Files app. Click on the Files app. Click on Downloads. Now you can see there is a file which I just downloaded. So it's very easy. So in that way you can save any PDF files on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find value in this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.